Hey guys, here we are on the Scorpion, having a picnic, eating lunch out on the boat, do something different, get away from the house for a while. I got a little repair. It's rough too. It's too rough and wavy to get the boat going out. So we're gonna eat. Also, we were snorkeling. We got all these small shells. She's gonna cook all these small shells tonight. Ooh, they're gonna be good. I really like them too. I'm not too good at pulling them out, but I do eat them good. Yum, yum. This was one part about my Philippine adventure moving here. I never expected I'd ever have a boat. Well, I got one now. This is a Scorpion. I practically rebuilt her. And days when it's too rough to go out, we come down here, sit around. We just went snorkeling, got shells, hang out. As you can hear, there's other people over there playing in the water too.
Hungry guys.
Very hungry. We've been in the water almost 2 hours looking for shells. Seeing fish. Oh, I did see the most deadly sea snake. I found a banded sea crate. Beautiful snake. It's banded blue and white. Probably about 2 foot long, just easing along the bottom. Looking for stuff to eat on the bottom. Thank goodness they're harmless. This is about, well, not harmless, but they're not aggressive. That's the word I'm looking for. Thank goodness they're not aggressive. I've seen about, I think this is number 6 so far. Saw one the other day snorkeling in the shallows, and he was swimming right at me, and all I could do was just stop. The water was so shallow, tide was low. All I could do was stop and hope he swam next to me. I had my spear gun. I couldn't shoot him. I could try to push him out the way. But
Yeah.
no, there's lots of sea snakes, banded sea crates around here.
Yeah, no need to touch that one because guys, it's dangerous, guys. So guys, I use my hand, guys, to take the rice because no more extra spoon. But
We
it's
got a
fine.
fork.
Yeah, fork. It's okay.
Got another fork.
It's okay, guys, because maybe I ate all that one because I am so much hungry. Very much hungry.
Swimming will make you work up an appetite. That's for darn sure.
Yeah, and then guys, I'm thankful because both of me is same what he want. Like he like also to do like this, me also like that. Right, boy?
That's right. We're soulmates, 2 peas in a pod. I like what she wants to do. She likes what I want to do. And we're both good at compromise when it comes to compromise. You know, and she does love the water. Thank God. She can swim well, too.
I grew up, guys. Every day before like that, going to the sea.
Oh, look, the tide's come in a little bit more. We're starting to move some. Just think, if we had Wi-Fi, we could do a live, but there ain't
Yeah.
no Wi-Fi down here. There ain't no power down here, for that matter. I have to use all hand tools working on this boat. Which, coming from the United States, you only use power tools to do anything. Who uses a handsaw, a chisel, a hammer? Well, they're my best friends here. That's how I get work done. Yep, tide's coming in good.
It's yummy to eat, use your hand. Sorry guys, if you
Yep.
because for me guys, I like to use my hand. But in elegant eating, I use my hand. I use fork and spoon.
Elegant eating. If we go out to eat somewhere, she uses a fork and spoon. At home, she mostly eats a fork and spoon, but there's things I eat with my hands also, you know, but I don't eat rice. I can't eat rice with, yeah. Oh no, that might be where that snake bit me. Uh-oh.
Where's the one?
Hope not. I'm probably skinning on a rock or something. It's just a scratch. Your face is red from your mask,
Oh, tama naman sa
like last time, yeah. Mine's white probably, because I'm white anyway.
Haha.
I need a drink. I need to make a table seat across here. That way we can sit here, put our food here, just like if it was a dining room table.
Soon. Tapi I am so hamat hungry.
Oh, I know. I was starving before we even turned around and started swimming back. Oh, I hope my hair's okay. What'd you think, guys? My hair okay besides white and gray?
That is fine. Not messy.
And it was raining before we went in the water, so what's there better to do than go swimming, swimming, snorkeling when it's raining? You can get wet outside anyway. By the way, guys, all this paint you see on here, all this white, yellow, orange, blue, I've sanded, I've painted, I've done all the work myself. I don't think you can see the solar charger. I have a solar charger in the back. I installed an electric bilge pump on here, so when it rains, it pumps it out.
I think I finished the rice.
Finish the rice.
Yeah,
You must be hungry, huh?
too much.
Looks like more rain coming in about an hour or two. Where'd you have the rice at? Would you go to Jarina's and get rice?
Yeah.
I was fixing to say, because you sure did go, didn't take you long.
During he cook rice.
You put your order, you put your order in for rice earlier this morning before we left. That's a good idea. Tell you what, those waves were strong right up against those rocks.
Oh yeah.
Waves in the current right up against the rocks.
So with that one because you cannot afford that one. Oh.
Just another day in our paradise. You gotta love it. You gotta love the Philippines. It's warm all year round. There ain't no snow. You can go swimming, fishing all year round. You guys can have the snow that has the snow. But here, oh, it's more fun in the Philippines.
More fun, not expensive.
Yeah, not expensive too. Very reasonable living. Which, the cost of the living. Vicky here, my wife, was the first reason to come here. Second reason, cost of living, being retired. I can live on my pension here very well. So here I am. Here she is. Here we are. And I don't know if y'all know. Anyway, I'll throw this in. We met online. We met online on a dating site. Vicky was in Dubai. I was in Biloxi, Mississippi. We met online on a dating site, and it was during COVID. And we had 2.5 years almost to chat online, video, on Messenger. And then once COVID was over, Philippines opens the border. It was all history. Here we are. We haven't been separated since then. Not for long, at least. Look at that. I did dishes. Wasn't a nice husband. I washed my own dishes.
Mm-hmm.
Want me to pour the rest in here?
Need us to clean our boat for us to live.
Do what?
Need us to clean first.
Oh, I know. The rain. Right here where this boat's parked at, there's a little house next door. And when the wind blows, it blows junk off the roof into this boat. And there's no fresh water hose here either. You know, back home, I'm used to having fresh water, wash the boat every day. Well, now we rinse it out with salt water. And then about every couple weeks, we'll fill up buckets across the street of fresh water. And then we'll come over here with fresh water, a little soap, wipe everything down, fill it up with water, let the bilge pump kick it out the back. Can't believe the sun's finally come out. Boy, it was a miserable day earlier. Rainy, cloudy, but boy, it's fixing to get hot real quick now. You hungry, babe, huh? You hadn't hardly said a word.
Too much hungry.
Boy, I'll tell you what, I almost need my hat and my sunglasses now. That sun is bright. I guess I could show this too. Some of the footage we've done, I have an iPhone 13. That's what all this footage is on. We have a waterproof bag, Gecko brand. I highly recommend it. Totally waterproof. Real good bag. You can put it around your neck, and it's got a deal here. You can put it on your arm. We've just been trying it out lately.
Laki!
Give the old DJI action cam a little break. Oh, he's gonna get some food, huh? Lucky! Where'd he run off to?
Black, gali black!
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's say, guys, peace out.
1, 2, 3, peace out.
Peace
guys.
out,
Thank you so
guys.
much.
Thanks for watching.